Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you some traditional Hong Kong bakeries. So this is how it looks outside. A lot of different savory tarts. I don't know what the prices are, but with sausages is well decorated. Some crab stick inside, so it's amazing for the breakfast. I already have tortoise for breakfast. Some bacon. So yeah, it is amazing choice here. So you see, so this is savory tarts and some sandwiches. You can see probably some prices, maybe not. I will show it from inside. And this is sweet section. In sweet section, the prices are quite. Let's see. One tart costs $7 Hong Kong approximately. I will try to do this durian pastry and also savory. Pork pastry, cheese pastry. So let's have a look how this. Croissant cost 14 Hong Kong dollars, 1.4 pounds. So the prices are cheese tart $14. The prices are quite good. You can buy 10 these small bits for $13. European prices it's very cheap. For Asian it is a little bit too high. So I will try to do this durian pastry today, green bean pastry, dessert and donut tart. Very interesting choice. It's up to crumble. It's amazing. Right, so I will try to do um, dessert egg. So two bits. This is sweet stuff. Again, you can enjoy the prices and see how expensive it is. It is more like European style, but I think the quality is very high here. And some. And so can you? It says, can I take two? Durian and egg. So one durian, one egg. Yeah.
Which one?
I think it's egg.
This is Pacific.
Egg.
So yeah,
Yeah. So this egg and
but
this durian.
Chinese Pacific.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah.
One, and then this is Turin. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay,
It's exactly
so,
what I want.
okay. That
To take out. Yeah. Take out. And some drinks. Yeah. And I will do some tea. So, thank you. And this is how it looks inside. Oh, sweet. What's this?
uh,
Like okay. Can you add one more as well?
yeah, okay.
Like, yeah, and this is kind of mochi. I don't know what it is. Pizza. Oh, I want to try a lot of things, but I'm too full. I'm too full to try things. But you see how beautiful they are. Yes, it's fine. Thank you. So everything is nice. So let's go to pay. Cookies. Lovely cookies. Okay. Don't eat too much. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you. Bye.